In 1966, a CIA polygraph expert accidentally discovered that plants talk. He hooked plants to lie detectors, then watched in awe as they sense thoughts, react to harm, recall events. After seeing the evidence, nothing in your world will seem the same. This is Cleve Backster. He was not a mystic. He was a hard-nosed interrogation specialist, the man who trained the CIA and FBI to catch spies and liars. His weapon of choice, a polygraph machine, designed to detect the invisible truths hidden in our bodies. One morning in his New York office, Cleve glanced at a Dracaena plant sitting on his desk. A wild idea struck him. What would happen if he attached the plant to a lie detector? Could it feel anything? Could it respond? He clipped electrodes to the plant's leaf. Then he watered it. The polygraph reacted. It showed a spike similar to the human emotional response of joy. Cleve was stunned. But what happened next was even crazier. He decided to threaten the plant. He imagined setting one of its leaves on fire before he even moved. The polygraph needle jumped violently. The plant had sensed his intention without any physical action. To Cleve, it was undeniable. The plant was aware of his thoughts, not his actions, his thoughts. This shattered everything he knew about biology and consciousness. But the scientific community was not ready. Determined to test further, he burned a leaf. The plant reacted. Brought in strangers to threaten the plant. It reacted. He brought in familiar people. The reaction was calmer. The plant knew the difference. Cleve called this phenomenon primary perception. The idea that all living things have a form of consciousness, be it plants, bacteria, even cells that transcends the brain, that reacts instantly across distance. His next experiments grew bolder. He placed brine shrimp in boiling water, hooked the plants nearby to the polygraph. The plants reacted to the moment the shrimp died, instantly, without any visible cause. He repeated the tests, time and again. Different plants, different animals, different conditions. The results stayed consistent. Living things are tuned into the death and emotions of others. The scientific community laughed at him. Biologists called him a fool. Physicists dismissed him, but Cleve did not stop. He documented everything with brutal precision. He even involved independent witnesses. One stunning test: he left plants alone in a sealed room, hooked to a polygraph, scheduled random times for threats. No humans present. The plants still reacted exactly at the threat moments. Baxter even proposed that plants have memory. He claimed plants could remember people who harmed them if someone damaged a plant. Later, just their presence could trigger a panic reaction in the polygraph. In 1968, he published his findings in a paper called Evidence of Primary Perception in Plant Life. Mainstream journals refused to publish it. Too dangerous, too disruptive, too unexplainable. Decades later, scientists began exploring concepts like quantum entanglement in biology, ideas that hinted at connections beyond time and space. Cleve Backster's work suddenly did not seem so crazy anymore. Today, the debate continues. Is Cleve Backster a genius ahead of his time, or a dreamer lost in fantasy? What is undeniable is he forced us to ask deeper questions about life and about consciousness itself. As Cleve once said, it appears that primary perception is common to all life forms. Maybe the universe is not dead matter after all. Maybe it is alive, feeling, connected, in ways we are only beginning to understand. Cleve was right. 1. You are connected to every tree. 2. Every blade of grass. 3. Every living thing, your thoughts and feelings echo in ways you cannot see. The world is far more alive than you have been told.